Hello people, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Ghaffar here, and I welcome you all to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about another scholarship opportunity if you wanted to study abroad. So my video is for you, this channel is for you. I have uploaded so many information and so many opportunities for you guys, so you guys can uh, check out my channel as well. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about EPOS scholarship program, which is like you can say which is a DAAD scholarship program, and I am gonna talk about DAAD scholarship program as well, which is offered for the students in Germany, and you guys can apply through DAAD, and you guys can get scholarship as soon as possible for various programs. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you, and I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of one by one for each level. Okay, so let's get started. You guys can see this is the Higher Education Commission Pakistan's website's screenshot. So you guys can see from here they have given basic information over here. So they have written over here something very important which you should know about it, which is applicants must be sent only the respective course directly. Okay, what does that mean? So let's get started the procedure, and I will guide you one by one. Okay, so this is the website that I'm going to talk about. So you guys can see this is the scholarship database, and you guys can find the information about your DAAD scholarship programs for international student. This is for international student, like if you are residing in any country, in any Asian country. Because why I'm telling you guys that in Asia, about an Asian country, because most of my subscribers are from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and many more countries. So you guys can apply because you are eligible, and you guys can like this scholarship is for international students and researchers, as well as offers from other selected funding organizations. You guys can get the idea from that particular website as well. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the website. You guys can see graduates with the last 2 years professional experience from the following countries. So they have given the list of eligible countries as well over here. This is the list of eligible countries. You guys can see, you guys can take the screenshot, or I'm gonna paste this link in the description of my video. You guys can check from there as well if you are eligible or not. And so you guys can see South and Central Asia. In South and Central Asia, these are the countries. Um, so this is a specific part of for the countries. Okay, you guys can check other countries as well. So you guys can see which developing countries and developing territories are included in this scholarship category. Okay, so um, now let's talk about what can be funded, like individual scholars exclusively for postgraduate courses in Germany that are listed on this link. So you guys can get the link in the description again, and you guys can check whether you are eligible. If your country is eligible, if your country is eligible, then you should check the list of this postgraduate courses, because this is very important thing. You guys should know which courses are being offered. Okay, so they have written each and everything very clear, like which courses are being offered in English or German, and what are their degrees. They have written over here what is the duration without German language, and what is the duration with German language. They have written each and everything over here. They have written the institute name as well over here, and you guys can see application of deadline for 2025 to 2026. They have written like time and date at that time, at that in that particular form. Okay, this is the DAAD scholarships. So if you are applying through DAAD scholarship, so your time limit is this, or your deadlines are these, and you are, if you are applying self-funded funding, so your like applications, the application procedure is different, the deadlines are different. So you guys can see from their website as well, but they have written some but they have written some deadlines over here. So this is a very lengthy a form, you guys can see, and they have pasted the link over here. Like, this is the link, you guys can click over here, and this link will take you to this page. So this is the page of, you guys can see, this is the page, International Development Economics. Like, this is the page of the university, and this is the Masters in International Development and Economics. So they have written each and everything in detail. They are offering Masters of Arts degree, and this is the study period for regular study period 3 semesters. The start date is 1st April. The language is English, and this is the location of the course that is being offered. What are the admission requirements? They have written over here as well. Deadline for application is 30th September. Total credit points is 90. So they have written each and everything very clear, so you guys should not be confused as well. And I think you should click over here to your interested program, in which program you are interested, and you guys can get the information from there. Okay, so these were the two different and main things that I wanted to share with you guys. Now let's talk about the duration of the funding. So if you guys apply through the DAAD scholarship, so through this website over here, and so your funding will be 12 to 42 months. It depends on your study program, like which study program you are being enrolled. If you are being enrolled in a particular study program which lies in that particular month, so you guys can get the funding. And like, it totally depends upon your chosen degree. Okay, so make sure to choose your degree very carefully. Okay, now let's talk about the depending on your academic level, like the value of this scholarship. Okay, so if you depend on your academic level, your monthly payments of 992 euros for graduates, or 1300 euros or 1400 euros, they have written over here very clearly, with February 2026 for doctoral candidates. So you guys can convert the currency according to your country as well, and you guys can see what kind of amount they are giving you in the name of scholarship. Okay, then payments towards health, accidental and personal liability insurance, it will also cover through your scholarship. So I think this is a very good opportunity as well. Now, travel allowance, unless these expenses are covered by the home country or another sources of funding. Now and then, under certain circumstances, scholarship holders may receive the following additional benefits. So, what kind of benefits? You will be you guys can get the monthly rent subsidy. You guys can get the monthly allowance for accompanying members of the family. It depends if you are married, for example, and if you wanted to take your children with you guys. So it depends, and you guys can apply for that particular reason as well. Okay, so they offer, but these are the certain circumstances. They do not offer for whole student, they do not offer for all the students. These are the particular circumstances. Okay, now let's talk about, if you guys wanted to, okay, so now let's talk about, if you have applied, your procedure was very smooth, you have applied, and what's their selection criteria? How do you guys know that what kind of criteria they follow to select the students? So candidates fulfill the necessary academic requirements, like you have to fulfill your academic requirements, you have to upload your transcripts and other motivational letters and research statements and each and everything, and then be expected to successfully complete a study program in Germany. Okay, so you guys wanted to so you have a bachelor degree, for example, for 4 year course in an appropriate subject. So this, they will see your bachelor's degree, and if you want to, if you are applying for PhD, so they will see your master's degree. So make sure to apply, when you are applying, so make sure you have to upload your degrees very carefully, and you have to upload your correct information, and you do not upload any false documents, so that your process will be very smooth. So candidates have at least 2 years professional experience. This is the one thing that I wanted to talk about you. Um, um, okay, so this is the thing. If you are applying in any country and if you wanted to be an international student, so the first thing that matters is your academics also matters, but your non-academic or your extra co-curricular activities or your professional experience, this is the thing that they gonna see in your CV, and that affects or impact on your application as well. So everyone has, like I think and I believe that every one of you have good in academics. So the but every one of you do not have good in co-curricular or extra co-curricular activities. So this is the thing that they wanted to give you an opportunity to apply, but you have to include all these things, like if you get any chance of any kind of internship, paid or unpaid, you must take this opportunity because it will enhance your CV. Okay, so if it enhance your resume, so automatically you will be able to get the scholarship from hundreds of the applicants. So if you wanted to get distinction, so make sure to add these things in your resume. Make sure to add or make sure to start working. Okay, so this was the overview. Now let's talk about the application requirements. So they have given over here like the things that please select in which country you are residing right now. For example, if I'm residing in Pakistan, I'll select Pakistan, and then I'll select graduates and show application requirements. So they have written application requirements for Pakistan, which German courses they are like they wanted you to pass before applying, and they have written each and everything in every very clearly, and what requirements you must hold, you must meet. So these are the requirements you must meet and before applying. So this is the application requirements, so you guys can check according to your country. And this is the application procedure, the very simple procedure, but they have written over here very lengthy, but I am gonna give you a brief walkthrough, which is these steps. Like for example, you okay, so this is the step number one. You send your application applicants directly to the according postgraduate course. Okay, so a selection committee suggests potential candidates for DAAD scholarship. So DAAD scholarship basically do not have any kind of extra requirement or application procedure. So you guys can get the information from this page, which courses are applying offering and which universities are offering these courses. You just have to send your information to that particular page, and they will automatically consider you for DAAD scholarship. So these suggested candidate will be contacted by the DAAD to upload their complete application to the DAAD portal. If you get selected, then this is the last step. The application process will be finalized and the suggested candidates will be informed accordingly. So this is how you guys can apply, and I think the video is too long to continue, so I'm gonna end this video over here. Okay, so yeah, I'll meet you in another video with another scholarship opportunity. Till then, Allah Hafiz. If you have any queries or questions, do let me know in the comments below. I will be reaching you guys as soon as possible.